Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Shin Pumasagari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon natutigan natin na nagsasabi sa inyo ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Sagittarius. So sagi, sagi, sagi! Welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat pa sa mga walang sapog suporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-isit ng ads na way pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik tiglig na gumapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit ka na dahil nandito na ang mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages give me information for the sign of Sagittarius. So sagi, sagi, sagi. Ano kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagila? There is a Chariot card. So there's an actions or something taking action. So kailangan mo kumilos, kailangan mo gumalaw, no? Kailangan mo magdesisyon. And of course, there's a Queen of Pentacles. So there's information na kumbaga marunong ka kumawak ng finances. No, talagang pagdating sa ano, kumbaga may pagkakuripot, kumbaga gano'n, para may gano'n siyang eksena. No, kailangan mo na mag-take ng action para sa business mo. And kasi kailangan din there's a stability and control. See? Kailangan kontrolado mo yung emotions mo pagdating sa business, pagdating sa, kumbaga there's an emotional and of course practical. Kumbaga, kailangan yung emotion mo at pati yung pati yung katawan mo, no? Kumbaga kailangan naka-ano siya, naka-focus siya or something, naka-condition siya, no? And because there is the Wheel of Fortune, so there is a good luck and coming in for you with the destiny. So, ibig sabihin talagang, may swerte papasok sa'yo dito, no? Talagang there's swerte, there's a good luck. May swerte papasok sa'yo dito. There's a good luck, so may swerte papasok. So, let's see what is additional messages. Tignan natin what is the Wheel of Fortune dyan mamaya, ha? And I guess there's the lovers. So, there's a love life or something unified love or something, deep soul connections. Kumbaga, may, if you have a partner, so meron ditong, kumbaga, ikaw to sa nababasa natin baraha. Kung ikaw ay may asawa, may partner, may jowa, eto ka, the lovers. And of course, there's Queen, there's a Four of Pentacles. So, protect your power, protect your energy. Kailangan proteksyonan yung grounds mo. Even your territory. Pagdating sa finances, kailangan mo maging, mag-savings, no? Mag-budget. So, let's see what is the Chariot card. And because there's a Four of Wands, so there's a celebration. No, maraming parating na celebration ngayon sa'yo. No, Sagi. So, this is the Sagittarius talaga, the sign. So, some of you, happy birthday, Sagittarius, no? So, maaaring nagbe-birthday ka, or tapos na yung birthday nyo, or kumbaga magbe-birthday pa lang kayo. And of course, there's a Knight of Wands. So, there's a final push. So, kung gusto mo mag-business ka na. Kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng practical pagdating sa finances. Kumbaga, kailangan mo manguripot, no? Kailangan mo manguripot. And of course, there's a Queen of Wands for the Seven of Pentacles. So, there's kumbaga, harvest time. So, at the end of the time, kumbaga, makokontrol mo yung mga bagay-bagay about sa resource of income mo. So, big sabihin, magtutuloy-tuloy na tong harvest time for you. So, let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. Ano tong Wheel of Fortune for you? What is the Wheel of Fortune for you? And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Wow! So, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. And long-term relationship rather. So, there's a security about sa finances, ha? Ito yung destiny talagang, there's a good luck na papasok sa'yo, no? Talagang magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang finances. And of course, there's the Fool card. So, there's a leap of faith. No? Kumbaga, there's a new beginning coming in for you. The two of you with your person, no? Kumbaga, may asawa ka, may jowa ka, may partner ka. So, nandito ka. Char. So, sinasabi sa'yo dito, guys, na kumbaga, there's a faith, at a leap of faith. Kailangan magtiwala sa isa't isa. So, let's see what is the Four of Pentacles. So, there's a Ten of Cups. So, there's a happiness. Diba? Pati sa finances, magiging happy ka. Basta kailangan mo manguripot eh. Hindi ka pwedeng palagastos or palabigay, no? Kumbaga sa guitarist, kasi kapag talagang tulong-tulong talaga yan. Pero at the same time, kailangan mo talaga manguripot this time. So, let's see what is the Chariot and the Four of Wands. And of course, guys, there's a death card. So, there's an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na at magsisimula ng panibagong eksena. Ganon. Kumbaga, there's a death card represent a transformation. Kumbaga, maraming mababagong kaganapan sa buhay mo. Especially sa birthday mo. There's a birthday celebration, a homecoming, or something, a wedding, or either a binyag. Ganon. So, let's see what is the Queen of Pentacles and the Knight of Wands. Kumbaga, there's a lot of events coming in for you. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups. So, there's a letting go, no? Those are moving forward. So, kailangan mo na mag-take ng risk or something. Kumbaga, kailangan mo pa rin ilaban yung mga bagay-bagay, no? Kumbaga, there's a final push. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito kung ano talagang gusto mong gawin mo, no? Kumbaga, hayaan mong mangyari mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. So, let's see what is the Queen of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. So, there's a Seven of Cups. So, there's a lot of opportunity coming in for you. So, there's a lot of source of income. So, some of you guys, marami ka pinagkukuha na ng pera. Marami ka pinagkukuha na ng finances. So, some of you, kailangan yung maraming pagkuha na ng finances. Kailangan nyo mag-isip ng business, ng, karagdagan, no? Para padagdagin ang iyong finances. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles and of course the Wheel of Fortune. So, there's a Two of Wands. So, there's a two-path, no? Tingnan mo yung lighter side of situation, no? Kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng decision dito kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mo mag-take ng actions. So, let's see what is the Lovers in the Full card. And of course, there's some Strength card. So, there's a Strength card. Sinasabi dito, your commitment is being tested. Talagang subok na ang inyong relasyon, subok na ang inyong pagsasama, subok na ang inyong pagmamahalan. Subok na kayo, no? So, let's see what is the Four of Pentacles and of course, the Ten of Cups. So, there's a Three of Pentacles. So, there's a collaborations. So, kailangan nyo talaga ng collaboration or something information or heart-to-heart talk conversation. Ganun. Kailangan nyo talaga ng, kumbaga pag-uusap sa isa't isa. Kailangan nyo ng ganito. Plano, no? Parang plano. So, let's see what is the outcome. So, what is the outcome? So, ang outcome dito ay the Six of Swords, a transition, no? May mga bagay na mababago dito, may mga bagay na kumbaga maaayos, no? At may mga bagay na kumbaga makakaalis ka na sa sitwasyon. Okay, so let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides. Additional outcome. Sige nga, dagdagan natin additional outcome. So, there's a Tower moment. So, there's a sudden changes, no? May mga bagbabago dito or some of you, there's a chaos or something. May mga bagay na masisira in a beautiful way, no? There's a beautiful disaster na ako nakikita dito. Kumbaga, may mga bagay na masisira. Kumbaga, sa magandang dahilan. Kumbaga, para, it's an opportunity para, kumbaga, may bagong lumabas na panibagong eksena na magdadala sa ng Three of Cups celebration, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides. So, let's see what is additional messages for career. Pagdating naman sa career. So, sige nga, tignan natin. Pagdating sa career mo is the Six of Wands. So, there's a victory and success for you. Na magtatagumpay ka dito. Because there's a karma. Kumbaga talagang bibigyan ka ng good karma dito with the Ace of Cups. So, there's a new love life coming in for you. Kumbaga, pagdating sa career mo, kumbaga, meron kayong kumbaga partnership ng iyong person, no? At kumbaga ito yung timing na para sa iyo, kumbaga dahil sa mga nangyari sa from the past relationship. So this is the moment kumbaga nagkaroon ng give and receiving something by the universe na ipinagkaloob sa iyo na this is the moment na kailangan mo ng kiligin at mahalin. So let's see what is additional messages for naman sa love life. Pagdating sa love life is the Page of Pentacles. So, there's a manifestation in the King of Pentacles. So, there's a, kumbaga, there's a supporters and providers. So, ibig sabihin na itong person mo maaaring, kumbaga, sinusuportahan ka at kumbaga, siya yung nagpo-provide ng eksena. Kumbaga, ikaw yung nagmamanifest, ikaw yung kumbaga, nagsasakatuparan, siya naman yung nagpo-provide. Kumbaga, balance kayong dalawa, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, secure ka about sa kanya, no? So, let's see about naman sa health. Ang health naman is a Knight of Wands, slow and steady, no? Kumbaga, there's an healing, so, and of course, miracle. So, pagagalingin ka dito ng ating angel spirit, kumbaga, makakagaling pagagaling ka na sa anumang uri ng karamdaman mo. Star is the hope, star is a miracle, star is healing. So, pagagaling ka sa anumang uri ng karamdaman mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for magical fairy messages for you. What is the magical fairy messages? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a dietary change, no? And of course, improve your diet. Your life will also improve. So, kailangan mo kayo mag-diet dito, ha? Some of you, dietary. And of course, there is a connect with the nature. So, kailangan mo ng rejuvenate, no? At kailangan mong magliwaliw sa labas. Kailangan mo ng mag-unwind, no? Baka na-stress ka. Baka ang stress reliever may is pagkain. Kaya kailangan mo mag-diet. So, let's see what is Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is a Yin and Yang Oracle? Oh my God, there's a solid foundation. So, some of you guys, there's a solid foundation and structure. Talagang matibay ang inyong relasyon. Matibay ang inyong pagsasama. And of course, there's a leap and opportunities and freedom. No, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga malaya kayo na gawin yung mga bagay na gusto nyo gawin, no? Kumbaga, nagkakaroon kayo talaga ng, talagang, may connection kayo pagdating sa partnership talaga, no? Nagkakaroon kayo ng give and take. And of course, there's a moon. So, there's a lot of revelation. Marami kang marireveal dito. Even your skills and of course abilities. Now, kumbaga, there's a moon for discovery. So, marami kang madi-discover dito. So, let's see guys, what is the Moonology is all about. What is the Moonology? Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information. And of course, there's a show the world the real you. Ipakita mo sa mundo kung sino ka talaga, no? Ipakita mo yung mga bagay o katangian mo sa buhay mo, no? And kasi nasa dito, there's a have faith in your dreams. So, magtiwala ka sa pangarap mo. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit Guides. For Archangel Michael. For Archangel Michael, give me an information. Your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Yung maggabay mo daw, mapagkakatiwalaan mo daw, no? And of course, there's an innocence. May mga bagay na hindi ka pa nalalaman. May mga bagay na ipapaalam sa'yo ang ating angel spirit. And of course, admit to yourself and act accordingly, no? Kumbaga, stop pretending. Kumbaga, wag mong tinatago na may mga bagay na hindi ka alam, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mo malaman, gano'n. Kumbaga, kung hindi mo alam, kailangan mo ng, kumbaga, magpaturo or something. Kung may mga bagay na wala ka, kumbaga, ipakita mo na wala ka, hindi mo kailangan magpanggap. Na parang gito, kumbaga, kailangan mo ipakita, even sa person mo, yung mga tunay na mong nararamdaman. Na kumbaga, kailangan mo sabihin sa kanya kung may mga bagay na hindi ka alam or something innocent ka, diba? May mga bagay na hindi ka nga aware. So, let's see what is additional messages for Angel Spirit. Yung, kumbaga, tigilan mo yung, kumbaga, yung ego mo, gano'n, kumbaga, iset aside mo yon. And of course, let's see what is loosen your grips, let God in. So, hayaan mo si God, kumbaga, there's destiny, no? Kumbaga, ibigay ni God sa'yo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga, diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. Angel Spirit Guide. So, there's a, psychic abilities. So, some of you had there's a psychic abilities. And because there's a dolphin by the cosmic consciousness. Ibig sabihin dito, enjoy yourself from the fullest, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo lang mag-enjoy sa ginagawa mo, sa anuman yung eksena mo, mag-enjoy ka lang. So, let's see what is the energy. And there's a contract. So, there some of you kumbaga, meron talagang marriage dito. Merong kontrata or something papers dito. Either, kumbaga, meron kayong bibiling bahay or sasakyan, ganun. And because there's an adjacent possibilities. May mga pinto ang magbubukas, may mga pinto ang magsasara for you, no? So, let's see what is additional messages for you, for Angel Spirit Guides. Ano kasi sa dito, there's an imaginations, no? Kumbaga, embrace nourish that creative aspects of your mind. So, gamitin mo yan para kumbaga, magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin. And of course, there's a change. May mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin or may mga bagay na mababago sa buhay mo na magdadala sa'yo ng growth and expansion. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Pagdating naman sa Romance Angels, there's a express your love. Ipakita mo sa kanya kung yung feelings mo, no? Yung inner truth mo. Yung inner feelings mo. Diba? Ipakita mo sa kanya na love mo siya. Ganon. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a support. So, some of you guys, sinusuportahan tayo ng angel spirit. Diba? Sinusuportahan ka ng ating mga gabay. Sa anumang ginagawa mo. So, let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages for you. And there's a home help. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng inyong tahanan. No? So, humingi ka ng gabay ka Archangel Raphael for healing. Kung may mga karamdaman kayo sa inyong tahanan, kumbaga, humingi ka ng gabay. So, let's see what is chakra messages. There's a prayer. So, kailangan mo talaga magdasal, no? Magdasal at lumapit sa Kanya. No? And of course, there's a balance. Panatiliin kang balanse, no? Emotional and practical. And of course, there's a vanity. Iwasan mo to yung mga walang kabuluhang eksena. Yung mga bisyo or something, ganyan. Kumbaga, iwasan mo yan. Yung mga, kung ano-anong pinagagawa mo, na alam mong, walang benefits sa huli. And of course, hindi magsiserve sa'yo. So, let's see what is a Jesus-loving quotes. Whatsoever you shall ask the Father in my name, He will give it to you. So, ibig sabihin, ako naman daw yung hinihingi mo sa ating, Panginoon, ibibigay niya sa'yo kung karapat-dapat sa'yo. Okay? So, there's an angel's answer, guys. So, mag-isip kayo ng question nyo regarding kung ano man yung gusto ng tanong. So, bibilang ko ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo. Okay? One. 2. 3. So, angel's answer, give me an answer for your question. Angel's answer. There's an unlikely. So, may mga bagay na, diba, hindi dapat or hindi nagugustuhan, something like that. Or there's a recovery. No, there's a recovery. And of course, there's a don't stop. May mga bagay na kailangan mo ipagpatuloy, wag mong ihinto. At may mga bagay kung hindi mo gusto, huwag mo ituloy. Ibig sabihin, there's a recovery. Makaka-recover ka at the end of the time. So, let's see what is the angel's number. So, let's see what is the angel's number. So, there's a 27, I am expressive. So, sinasabi dito, your mind is wide open and you are tolerant and compassionate towards all ways of life. You value freedom of expression and want to improve the condition of people, whether in your community, country, of the world at large. So, ibig sabihin dito, kayang-kaya mo ipakita, no? Kung ano talaga emosyon mo, even yung mga bagay na alam mong makakatulong sa at makakatulong sa iba. Kumbaga, may kalayaan ka magsalita at may kalayaan ka talagang magbigay ng information or something opinions, no? Kumbaga, malawak ang pag-iisip mo sa lahat ng bagay at sa lahat ng aspeto. So, let's see what is the messages of life. So, parang sinasabi, hindi ka natatakot magsalita. Ganon. And kasi sinasabi dito, there is some welcoming happiness. Divine love is manifesting in me, through me, and around me. It attracts all that I need from benefit of my soul. As I work to increase my inner light, I evolve into an imitation of love and joy. Today, I reap and welcome the happiness and beauty of all that I have sown. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, meron ka talagang, kumbaga, unity pagdating sa love. No? Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na nasa paligid mo na attract mo sila, diba? Kumbaga, malakas ang charisma mo or something yung, kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo makipagsalamuha sa kanila. Kayang-kaya mo, kumbaga, you are also flexible to anyone, no? Kumbaga, kayang-kaya mong dalihin yung mga bagay-bagay na, diba? Na alam mong magbibigay sa'yo ng kumbaga, comfortable, no? Na eksena at magbibigay sa'yo ng kaliwanagan sa lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. And of course, guys, this is reading for weekly gabay for the month of December 8 hanggang December 14 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. So, this reading is a journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin mo lamang kung ano makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain po kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig na gumapaw ang biyayang manubalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!